Our planet is warming at an unprecedented rate. The signs are all around us, and they are impossible to ignore. Glaciers, which have stood for millennia, are melting at an alarming rate, contributing to rising sea levels. Extreme weather events such as hurricanes, forest fires, and floods are becoming more frequent and intense. The consequences are devastating, affecting millions of lives. We are facing a climate crisis, a threat to our very existence. Droughts are leaving lands barren and coral reefs are dying, disrupting marine life. Time is running out. We need to act now before it's too late. The future of our planet depends on the actions we take today. But we are not powerless. Communities around the world are coming together to make a difference. We have a powerful ally, artificial intelligence. AI is revolutionizing the way we approach environmental conservation. AI can be a game changer in our fight against climate change. It helps optimize renewable energy solutions and smart farming techniques. It offers hope for a sustainable future where clean energy and thriving ecosystems are the norm. AI's ability to analyze vast amounts of data and make accurate predictions is crucial. It helps scientists understand climate patterns and trends. It can help us understand the complex dynamics of climate change, providing insights that were previously out of reach. AI can guide us in finding innovative solutions, from urban green spaces to efficient waste management systems. This is not just about mitigating our impact, it's about creating a sustainable way of living. It's about adapting to a changing world with innovative solutions like adaptive architecture and drought-resistant crops. And it's about restoring what we have damaged, bringing life back to coral reefs, and revitalizing river ecosystems. Together we can make a difference.
One of the most significant contributors to climate change is our carbon footprint. The emissions from our industries, vehicles, and deforestation activities are major factors. AI can help us reduce it drastically. By integrating AI into our daily lives, we can make smarter, more sustainable choices. Imagine buildings that optimize energy consumption in real time. These smart buildings can adjust their energy use based on occupancy and weather conditions. AI can make this a reality. By analyzing data from sensors and weather patterns, it can predict the most efficient ways to use energy. AI can adjust heating, cooling, and lighting systems automatically, ensuring comfort while minimizing waste. This not only reduces energy waste but also saves money. Households and businesses can see significant reductions in their energy bills. The transition to renewable energy is crucial. Renewable sources like wind, solar, and hydro are essential for a sustainable future. AI can accelerate this transition. It can optimize the design and operation of smart grids, making them more efficient and reliable. These grids integrate solar, wind, and other renewable sources seamlessly, ensuring a consistent supply of clean energy. AI can predict energy demand and adjust the supply accordingly, ensuring a stable and reliable energy grid. This helps prevent blackouts and reduces reliance on fossil fuels. By harnessing the power of AI, we can move towards a greener and more sustainable energy future. Together, we can make a significant impact on mitigating climate change.